want to chase nowadays. This is in the second match, it was hardly 136, and that was beautifully Verma, Vaibhav Govekar, Suyash Prabhudesai, Snehal Kautankar, Darshan Misal, Kinan Was, Malik Sab Shirur, Felix Almao, Vijesh Prabhudesai. Oh, this is beautifully bowled. Oh, this is once again. Goal Lions are going pretty well. They have not lost a wicket. This time, he gets the gap. He finds the gap down the fine leg. Oh, this is very well glided down the third man region. Beautifully stopped by the fielder. Well inside the boundary line. Oh, this is lucky enough for Veer Yadav. It was just away from the fielder. It was, you could see from that replay. Oh, beautifully bowled. What a delivery. You could see from that replay. Oh, beautifully bowled. What a delivery. And is Goa Lions 38 for 1. Amit Verma is on far end. Amok Desai is on strike. Oh, that's a wayward again. A false shot. This time he gets a boundary. That was a quicker one there, but glided down in the gap. This is a big appeal there, but
this is good looking shot, cracking delivery it was, and you just cannot ask this time, not giving too much length for his smartness. Once again coming down the wicket, this time. Yes, it was they still managed to win with one ball left yesterday. Mandeep Singh, you have to be very, very energetic while playing such games. This time you just cannot ask. Priya will be played tomorrow. This time, I can just tell you one thing to the capital city of Panjim. Amok Desai coming down the wicket. Balls. And what a big wicket is this. This is huge wicket for RBI. All eyes will be on this man. This time he tries to correct it well. But once again, reverse sweep. I cannot lose my wicket from here on. This time the ball was in the air and will get boundary. The boundary after a long time for Goa Lions. The umpire. This will boost their confidence now. This time, you just cannot. I think both these batsmen have now decided that we have to be very, very good with what they are bowling. Let them bowl very well. We will go after it. Once again, this time Amit Verma corrects it well. Absolutely no need to run for that. A boundary. The commentary box. The performance of Amit Verma. This time, once again, it was in a little bit air, but this time he misses his
win in the last ball. 175 was the target, 137. So somewhere around 165, 170, you give yourself a chance. Oh, this is a big shot. That was a very, very poor delivery from the bowler there. Oh, this should be up. This is easily taken. One swing it hard. Oh, but it is up in the air. This should be taken. This was a wrong choice of the shot. Darshan Misal was the man that the team would have been eyeing to get those quick runs. Now it is Malik Shirur, and looks like one more wicket straight down the throw. And both new to the crease. We are just a few ball away from the first innings closure. Oh, this is beautifully struck by Vaibhav Govekar. Oh, this is once again a great piece of batting skills here from. Oh, what a shot! Is it going for 6 runs? That's a massive blow. That's bat. So he's no mark with the bat. Wonderful player, Snell Kotankar. Oh, once again, what an elegant shot. Oh, that was slower ball, change of pace, leg spinner action, going for the second run, easy run out it should be, and yes it is, not required, 2 balls left, 8 wickets down. Oh, once again, this is in the gap, he should get a boundary, Vaibhav Govekar. 168, this is the last ball of the innings. Oh, once again, will it go for boundary? What a knock, what a cameo. 168, this is the last ball of the innings. Oh, once again, will it go for boundary? What a knock, what a cameo here from Vaibhav Govekar. Certain taken a single and got off the mark. Sumit Gadigaonkar in the gap, should get a boundary. Finding the gap to perfection, using the target. So maybe somewhere around 55 to 60 in the first few overs. This is up in the air, this should be taken. And there is a total misjudgment. That was a quick ball and taken. What a wonderful catch. Said enough, I will get my fast bowler and try to get one more wicket here. Oh, that was a poor ball. That was a short ball and a beautiful. This time, once again, this time in front of the square. So back-to-back boundaries here. Oh, this is poor piece of bowling. Is it a catch? And very well taken. Very well taken down the ball. For Sumit Gadigaonkar. Results paid off. And this time, once again, this time he gets it fine. Will it be stopped by the same fielder? No, this time it gets a bounce. Nice tea and coffee. And with a little bit of snacks. Oh, this is up in the air, but it was in the gap. Finally, some shot of intent from the batsman.
Matches going on here in Goa Corporate League 2019. And louder appeal helps the bowler. Umpire, without wasting any time, straight away gives him out. Strong, the home side. This time in the air. This is huge, huge. It's even bigger. This was beautiful. This time, that as all other cricket experts and they know their home conditions, they have to take advantage of it. Once again, a good look who finished it off in a style, turning out to be a man of the match as well during the presentation ceremony. This time it was a good looking delivery, but absolutely no chance. The fielder down there. And umpire straight away signaling it as a wide. This time a left-edge shot. And this is huge! Wonderfully. When you are the home side, you can always bring a smile on the spectator's face. That's what Goa Lions they are doing at the moment. This time a louder appeal. Actually, little bit in the air, and you cannot stop that. The ball will race towards the boundary. This time it was a very decent delivery and taking the. This time the bat making the noise. Can fielder take it over there? Yes, he will. Very crucial and important wicket for Goa Lions over here. And as I click. Clean delivery and clean ball.
Malik Shirur. And is clean ball? Yes, he is. And it will make life difficult for the batters who will come next. Oh, we have to wait. It is going down to have a respectable total. You never know, in the later end of the tournament, it might come down to, oh, wonderful shot. Is it going for 6 runs? Oh, that's a wonderful delivery there. Fan in the lights, floodlights. Oh, this is up in the air. This should be going for 6 runs. A massive shot from the bat of Samitra. And 6 run up mark. And ready to bowl the next ball. That's why. Oh, this is a good shot there. And finally, too late. We have to wait and watch. Once again, this time he struck it beautifully. This time it was a sweep shot. I told you. Against Samitra. Yes, this looks to be the ploy. This is the ploy that I was thinking. 18th over. This time once he has removed it for the spinner. Oh, this is a big blow, or is it taken? It is well inside and taken quite comfortably by the fielder. So Ali Murtaza striking it beautifully over covers fielder. Finally, Ali Murtaza has resigned. Only 1 wicket left for Goa Lions to win this match and start off on a good note in this 2019 edition of Goa. RBI, that is why he's the captain. He's got a lot of experience and this time he plays down the ground. Bullet shot and gets the boundary. No chance for waiting for this match to get over. Oh, this is lucky. Lucky for the batsman. The game each and every day, it is different for everyone. It might be your day one day, and this is a big shot and it's going above the head of the very strong position, and they will feel good as well. And this is up in the air, but lucky enough for Ali Murtaza. He finds the gap once again, gets the boundary. Gully fielder. Score is 140. 33 more runs required. This is just formalities left. And finally, Malik Shirur has taken a stunning catch. So Goa Lions ends it on a...
Beauty, vicious bounce on. This is wonderful shot, nice and straight down the ground to long on. Oh, catching opportunity and lovely rising delivery. Completion of 3 overs. It's 31 for 1. Spin attack from the pavilion end. The ball was in the air, and this is the second wicket for.
Team को डिफीट करेंगे या फिर गेंदबाजी करके वो चेस करेंगे. सो आई थिंक दैट्स एन ONGC. Players like Nitish Rana are here.
Double. Sachin Rana is out. Good bowling attack here from Mayank Dagar. Well bowled. Look at that. He's clean bowled him. He's cleaned him up. And he's on hat trick for sure. Mayank Dagar.
ONGC to win this Goa Corporate League 2018. So in this year 2019, it's going to be very, very interesting to find out who makes it into the finals and later on.
Versus RBI in Goa Lions winning hands down. What a wonderful performance from
It's going to be very interesting to find out how they proceed. Somewhere around 14:50 over.
for giving me an opportunity for being part of a Goa Corporate League. Lovely delivery. Oh, lovely shot. Gets hold of that one, and that ball will go huge, high, handsome, humongous.
So even 3 overs per side sometimes becomes a very, very good game of cricket, because in our stand-up comedy, there's now we have to focus on the game. It's a boundary.
Cow. Lovely shot, up and huge. Lovely timing.
Games of cricket. It's a cricket festival here in Goa. This is excellent running between the wicket. Are they? Five for 4. The current run rate is 6.25 and projected score is 125 at the moment. Earlier this evening, ONGC won the toss. Was still left after this, so they must be eyeing somewhere around 150 from here on. Leader in the air.
Just very talented personality. Beginning of 13, inside out, lovely, just above the head of the fielder in the covers. So that he doing the great job forming a partnership alongside Sharma. Slightly in the leg side and pedaled it, but finds the field in the shot. A single to take the score up to 80 runs. A single to take the score up to 80 runs. So this is the 14th over in pro, back to the boundary, or maybe 6. Coming down the track and just playing it away. Right in the block hole. And coming down the track and good hit, straight to long on. But finds the fielder. Additional will be adding up to the total to take the score. Oh, lovely shot from Rohan Rauti. That's gone huge, high. Once again, this time miscued shot, but straight to the fielder. Rajesh Bians alongside Baba, the score updater of 16 overs, and after the completion of 16 overs, score is 97 for 5.
To fly high now. Oh, that was fiercely struck. But to face the pace spearhead, Sarang Raut. This time up in the air, will be taken. Yes, ONGC. Oh, this is 18th over. Full toss in the lights. It is altogether a different feel. The timing and the cap, once again another single. What a wonderful sight. Oh, and if we'll see him shortly in IPL as well in the month of April. This time over the covers fielder. This time very well struck by the batsman. It's a flat six. He'll be trying to pull those Yorker length deliveries once again. This time short ball. Raut looks to be one of the best bowlers as far as pace is concerned. Oh, this is wonderful shot. He missed it. 2 balls remaining in this innings for Air India.
There is a field in the deep mid wicket in a deep point. Those two fielders are outside 30-yard circle. Nicely worked, and the ball will race away to the boundary, and a beautiful boundary and a much needed boundary here. Sagar Sherawat once again on the bowling mark from the pavilion end. Watchfully played, but straight to the fielder in the taking through. They'll be looking for to the ball. Well fielded. Oh, lovely shot, a lofted one. Gets hold of that one. Hiten Dalal. Get that bit of swing because the ball is new. Oh, this could be catch, and yes, it is. Sagar Sherawat strikes. The first wicket goes down for. In the leg side. Oh, lovely shot, but finds the fielder this time in the long leg region. That will be a protection. Just a single to Dhruv Pratap from the far end to the new batsman left hand. Showing a lot of assignments to these local tournaments, which is happening in Goa. Oh, lovely shot, pulled and pulled beautifully, but finds the fielder. Excellent piece of work there. Oh, wonderful. Nicely done. Waiting is the call from Dishrana, sending back. Oh, direct throw. And this time they will get some runs, and the ball will race away to the boundary. It looks like, and yes, it is. In the form of. Oh, top edge. The ball was up in the air for some time, falling safe. Oh, lovely drive in the gap. The ball will race away. What a beautiful drive this is. Nice and straight, but excellent fielding from Dhruv Pratap on his own bowling. If the ball had to go by past the ball would have gone once again for the boundary for sure, because there was no fielder and budding talent of India. Look at this uppercut. How sweet is that? The ball has gone all the way. It has travelled for a maximum. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. So ONGC batsman will take this with both the hands, and especially Nitish Rana, such a good timer of the ball. We just saw a delightful uppercut. And now no ball and 2 runs. We just pulled right on the edge of the boundary. By the time the fielder picks up and throws 2 runs easy, adding up to the total. A completion of 6 overs of the power play. They will get it easily. Good to see. Oh, on the toe. That will be Wonderful shot, straight down the ground. What a beautiful boundary coming from Milind Kumar.
This is match number 4. Appealing and appealing it louder. Umpire is not at all interested. 2 was the call, but they are happy. This time in the air. And straight away umpire signaling it as a boundary. In the match number 4 between ONGC and Air India. Well, he's planning to smash it biggie and it's out of here. In the air. Can somebody catch it over there? No, the ball will land safely just for the single. Chalo Baba, at least we can try something. It was a very slower delivery this time. This time, absolutely no chance. Umpire straight away. In favor of ONGC. This here also expects the thrilling contest, just like IPL and some ICC tournaments. This time again, can the fielder cut it off? Yes, he will. They were happy as Goa Lions defeated their opponents RBI. Well, we have to wait and watch what's happening here. It's a will give them extra chance. You just cannot take chances like this. Good running between the wicket. Excellent delivery. Just for the single though. The bat making too much noise. Another not giving any chance for the batsman to connect it very well. And ONGC also knows their position, so they will say, another one is this time. It's a very, very beautiful